I will still fighting with my wife. I will not. I won't back down.
There you go.
Here's the sentence.
There you go. Perfect. Yep. I won't back down. Yep. After a while, you might get tired and you might want to back down.
Maybe she will win someday. Yeah, exactly. So to be honest, when you were talking about bring on, I was confused because I was distracting because the screaming, and so I couldn't understand you.
That's fine. That's fine. So we'll repeat it. So bring it on basically means if you have two soccer teams and we're both on soccer teams. I'm on one, you're on another.
Yeah.
We're friends, and I say, you tell me that your team's gonna kick my team's butt, and I say, bring it on. Let's see who wins. I'm gonna kick your butt. Let's bring it on. Basically, like it's like accepting a challenge.
Yeah. Bring it on.
Yeah, when someone's telling you, or I'm going to beat you at this run, say we're going somewhere to have a little race and we're going to run, and you're going to say, I'm going to beat you, and you say, bring it. You could say, bring it, or just bring it on. It doesn't have to be bring it on. You could just say, bring it.
Like something related with challenging?
Yeah, something challenging. Yeah, something challenge. Yeah. So you can say, bring it. Let's see what you got. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you're made of, right? Let's see what you're made of, meaning let's see how tough you are, how fast you are, right? Yeah, how good you are.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, all right, awesome. Have you ever heard of cut it out? Cut it out.
Cut it out.
Mm-hmm. Cut it out. Cut it out. You're being so annoying.
Cut it out.
Cut it out. You could say to your wife, probably should. Probably not. Probably not. But just an example. You're so annoying right now. Cut it out.
You're a woman. You're a woman, and you know more about women stuff.
Yeah, I know how us women can be. I mean, come on.
Yeah, like cut it out.
Cut it out, yeah. Well, you know what? Men are just as equally annoying too sometimes. We're both to blame.
So I can tell this to my friend as well. Like when he's saying something, I don't like to listen to him. Like cut it out.
Yeah, cut it out.
Cut it out.
Cut it out. Cut it out. Yeah.
Cut it out. Yeah.
Cut it out. It basically is the same thing as saying stop it. Just stop it. Cut it out. Stop it. Yeah.
Cut it out.
Cut it out. Yeah. Or you could say, hey, cut it out. I was watching that movie. Stop changing the channel. Right.
Yeah. I use this word frequently in the cinema, but in Arabic, not in English.
Well, now you can start in English. Yeah, so that's another one. That's a popular one. Cut it out.
Cut it out. Yeah, I used to hear this phrasal verb in the movies.
Yeah, it's popular. Actually, there was an American sitcom. Maybe you heard of it, called Full House. With it's a family sitcom, and it was a family series. And one of the characters was a comedian, and he would say, cut it out. That's what he would do. Cut it out. Like,
cut it out.
Cut it out.
You acted out, and I feel satisfied right now.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
Put it out. Yeah. Basically, that's the meaning of that. Just stop it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's another one? Have you ever heard of passing out or to pass out?
Pass out. Let me guess. Okay. Yeah. Pass out. It's what is the opposite of pass out?
Well, this is basically
pass away.
Pass away can mean similar. It's not the same. It's close. It basically, I could say, it's so hot out.
Someone.
When pass away is when someone. Go ahead. When someone.
When someone died.
Yeah, when someone dies, right? Or
died.
right,
Okay.
it could be a person or
But
an animal. My dog passed away, right? Right. My grandma
but pass out
passed
when
out.
someone lost the consciousness.
Conscious. Yeah, that's a mouthful.
Con-
Consciousness.
yeah,
Consciousness. Yeah. Yeah. When someone loses their consciousness, they pass out. So I could
pass out.
say, it's so hot out today. I'm about to pass out. I can't take the heat. I'm about to pass out. It's so hot. Yeah. So something like that.
Sorry, can you repeat it?
Yeah, sure. I could say it's so hot out today. I'm about to pass out. It's too hot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could use it that.
Now it's making sense for me.
It's clear. All right, good.
Because I'm gonna not just to lose the consciousness,
Right.
but I'm gonna lose it with another one that you told me.
Yeah. Right. Like when it gets too hot, or if you feel dizzy, right? You could say I feel lightheaded. I'm gonna pass out.
I'm gonna pass out. Yeah.
Or I need some water. I feel like I'm going to pass out. Right. Yeah. What's another one here? Have you heard of, I feel like this is a basic one, but you never know. A do-over, to do something over. Do-over.
Do-over. Like do this work done?
Not is it done, but you have to do something again, to do it again.
Do-over.
Yeah, do-over. Sometimes people say, I have to rewrite this letter. I wrote it to the wrong person, so I have to do this email.
Do-over.
I have to do it over.
Do this email.
Right.
Do-over.
I have to write this email over. I have to do this email over. You could also
like I have to like something like repeat.
Yeah.
Do over.
Right, basically like a repetition of it. Or sometimes when people play games, like if we're playing a board game, if you're playing with your kids, usually people might play with younger kids. Maybe they skipped a turn or they lost a turn and your kid's really sad, and you say, go ahead, you get a do-over, meaning you could go again. You could go again as if you didn't go the first time. You get a do-over.
Yeah, like I motivate them.
Yeah, kind of like, it's kind of.
You can do over this.
Yeah, you can do it over. Go ahead, you get a do-over. The first time did not count, right? Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's do-over. What else? Have you ever heard of when something breaks down?
Breaks down.
Yeah.
Break
down, when something breaks down. To break down, when something stops working, it stops functioning. You can say, or I can say, I have to take the bus to work today. My car broke down. It already happened.
Yeah. Broke down. Yeah. Because sometimes the verbs like transform to the verb 1 and the verb 2, like
right, when we put past tense. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Break down, or you could say, if you want to use it in the present tense, I think I have to take my car to a mechanic. It sounds like it's about to break down. It sounds
about to break down. Okay. Yeah. But it's if my car, it's already broke down.
Yeah, broke down. Already happened. Yeah. So if it happened yesterday, I'm going to work tomorrow. I have to take the bus. My car broke down. Basically, yeah.
Yeah.
What else do we have here? Have you heard of back down? Backing down?
Backing down.
Back down? To back down something. To back down basically means to withdraw yourself from a position, to step away from something. To back.
Like backwards?
Like, would you say
backwards?
Not necessarily backwards. It means basically we never back down from a good fight. Say again, in terms of football, if we are playing and your team could say, we never back down. We'll never back down from kicking your butt or something like that, you know, from we'll never back down, always going to put in our best. We'll never basically withdraw from being, you can say, being the best, you know, thinking that we're the best. We won't back down. We won't give up. And
we won't, yeah,
yeah, you know,
that's what I want to say.
Yeah, we won't give up. We won't
give up.
No.
Yeah.
Or if there's a war, God forbid, you know, two countries, one country will say, we won't back down. We're not back.
We won't back down.
We're not backing down. Right. What about call off? Call off.
I will still fighting with my wife. I won't back down.
There you go.
Here's the sentence.
There you go. Perfect. Yep. I won't back down. Yep. After a while, you might get tired and you might want to back down.
Maybe she will win someday.
Oh, you're funny.